Hello Insiders, I'm Jackie and I am the beauty and style contributor here at the Kingdom Insider, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial with the collection from Black Widow from Ulta. So these are the two palettes that I have that I'm going to be using. This one is for eyes and this one is for face. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, they're very neutral with some pops of color in there. And then this one for your face. You've got your bronzer, your blush, and your highlight, and they are gorgeous as well. The highlight has such a nice pigment to it with some shimmer. Love it. So let's get started. I always like to start off with a neutral all across the lid, and I'm going to be using this color right here, Safe House. It gives you something to start off with and to start building upon. So, and it's very light, which I love. Something almost my skin tone. And then I'm going to use Agent down here, just in the crease. Now we're going to start adding some color. So the next color I'm going to be using is Fighter. It's right here. You're going to put that one up in your crease, going up into the brow bone. Something to start building those colors with. The next one I'm going to be using is Covert right here. It's got a little bit of those reds and burgundies in there. I'm going to be bringing that one down to the corner of my eye. So in the crease and down into the corner. Next up, I'm going to start adding in some shimmers because you've got to have a little bit of glitter. I'm going to be using Fiery. Just a little bit in the corner there. Bringing it down into your lower lash line. Now I like to always blend my colors out. I'm going to be doing that with Heroic right here. Starting in the crease, working all the way up into the brow bone. This one has some nice gold tones to it. Kind of give it that pop of color mixed in there with those red tones. Alright, lastly, I'm going to be using Relentless right here. It's another gorgeous shade. Just in the brow bone area. Kind of highlight that area up there. Whenever I do my brow bone area, I always like to bring it down up into the corner of my eye as well. Alright, and there you have it for my eyes. This collection, they are very easy to work with. I absolutely love the colors. And now we're going to move on to our face palette. I'm going to start off with Soldier, and that is going to be our bronzer. I always work with the cheekbones first. Just kind of use my bronzer as like a highlighter. Contour a little bit. The next one that I'm going to be using is Identity. It's going to be this one right here in the middle for our blush. Starting with the cheekbone, going all the way up. Now these colors are very, very light, which is why I love them, because I always like to keep that neutral makeup look. Something that you can use every day. Now for your highlight, it is Espionage, and I'm going to be taking that color and going right up in the cheekbones and contouring right around the eye at the neck temple area. just accenting any other area that you want to catch the light, of course. And there you have it. Now lastly, we are going to show you some of these gorgeous lip colors that I got as well. Each one came with your lip liner as well as the color, which was wonderful, and then you didn't have to try and look online to figure out which ones would work together. So this is one that I'm going to be using today, and it is the color Strong. It comes in gorgeous packaging, by the way. Look how adorable. And the other one that I won't be using today is called Courageous. A little bit darker. All right. Now anytime I use a neutral lip, I usually don't go too crazy with the liner, making it too dark or layering it on too thick, just because I want it to blend out nice and even. Alright, and there you have it. Here's my makeup look with the new collection from Ulta. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to do some swatches for you so that we can kind of see every color that we have out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and check back soon for something new. Bye!